Hi, my name is Chris Akios. I'm an ecologist and project manager with the Buffalo District Army Corps of Engineers. And we're here in Port Clinton, Ohio, along the southern shore of Lake Erie, taking a look at one of our ecosystem restoration projects. What we're looking to do here with this project is some of the work has already begun. They've already begun taking out some of the invasive species, treating them, removing them mechanically. But a big portion of the work that's going to take place here is the moving of the material underneath the wetland, creating the topographic variability that we need to promote a diversity of plants and a diversity of wildlife. And so we're looking to move that back a little bit, allow conditions to dry out in the wetland in order to get our equipment in here to make that happen. And everyone's on board and everyone's pretty patient and understanding with us.
We're standing here on the shore of Lake Erie. Right behind me is our beautiful marshland that has been unfortunately overrun with invasive species and doesn't look anything like it did when I was a child growing up, and certainly nothing like my father and grandfather. Through the work of the Corps of Engineers and other groups, we're hopefully going to bring this back to the beauty that it should be. I know this is a plan that's been in the works for well over 8 years. Several administrations have been working with the different entities to make this happen, and we're so excited to see the initial phases of that work, the initial cutting, so you can at least see the lake through the marsh and expose some of the habitat back there.
We're moving forward with this project. It's really important. Ohio in general has lost about 90% of their wetlands between the 1780s and the 1980s. So restoring wetlands is really important. And this particular wetland is a coastal wetland just along the borders of Lake Erie, and those are disproportionately more important. They're really important for migrating birds. And this particular site here is globally recognized as an important bird migration area, and it's mostly because it occurs along both the Atlantic and the Mississippi flyway. So approximately one half of all bird species found in the entire United States could live or move through this area. And so restoring the area, making it more hospitable for those species is really, really important. The city understands that. They're fully on board with this, and they also understand that that's really good for the economy here. People come to this area to visit from all over the country, and it helps boost the economy. It helps create better wetlands. They're more interested in protecting the environment, and so are we.